Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'll show you on how to block unwanted mail on your Gmail account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Gmail app. So I'm going to click on my Gmail app. Just like so. After you open up your Gmail app, next thing you need to do is to select the mail contact that you want to block. So I'm going to select this particular mail right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots right here. It's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on block personal loan. I'm going to simply click on it, just like so. Then you have block this particular contact and they will not be able to send mail to you anymore. As simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply block unwanted mail on your Gmail account. I hope you really got value from this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.